Hi students, we discuss about pair of straight lines, MCET standard questions, teacher task, exercise 3. Okay. Acute angle between the pairs of lines 3x square minus 7xy plus 4y square is equal to 0 and 6x square minus 5xy plus y square is equal to 0 are theta 1 and theta 2 respectively. Theta 1 and theta 2 respectively. Then, okay, student, see the board. Now first pair of line is 3x square minus 7xy plus 4y square is equal to 0. This is tan theta 1 is equal to 2 into root of h square minus ab by a plus b. Here 2 into root of h square minus 7 by 3, that means 49 by h square is 49 by 4 minus ab 3 into 4 by a plus b 3 plus 4, that means 2 into 49 minus 3 fours 12 fours 48 by 4 by 7, and this is equal to 2 into 1 by root 4 1 by 4 by 7, and this is cancelled. Now this is equal to 1 by 7. Here tan theta 1 is equal to 1 by 7 is the first pair of the line, and the second pair of line is 6x square minus 5xy plus y square is equal to 0, and this is tan theta 2 is equal to 2 into root of h square minus ab by a plus b. Here 2 into h is minus 5 by 2 and 25 by 4 minus ab, that means 6 into 1 is 6 by 7, 6 plus 1 7. Here 4 by 7, and this is 2 into root 1 by 4 by 7. Here this is cancelled, this is 1 by 7. Therefore tan theta 1 is equal to tan theta 2. That implies theta 1 is equal to theta 2. Then the acute angles between the pair of lines is theta 1 is equal to theta 2. Okay, write down. Equation 2x square minus 2hxy plus 2y square is equal to 0 represents two coincident lines passing through the origin, then h is equal to okay. Now here two x square minus 2hxy plus 2y square is equal to 0 equation represents two coincident lines passing through the origin. Then h square minus ab is equal to 0. Here h square minus, here a is 2, b is 2. Okay, this is equal to 0. This is h square is equal to 4, h is equal to plus or minus 2. Now see the options. Okay, the equation of one line, the equation of one of the lines represented by represented by the equation x square minus 2xy cot theta minus y square is equal to 0 is. Now here see the pair of line x square minus 2xy cot theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Now one of the line is y is equal to mx. That means substituting the y value in the given equation. Now here x square minus 2x into y means mx into cot theta minus y m square x square is equal to 0. That implies x square minus 2m square x square cot theta minus m square x square is equal to 0. Here x square term is common. Now 1 minus 2m square cot theta minus m square is equal to 0. This is x square is equal to 0, and therefore minus m square minus 2m square cot theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Now minus m square minus 2m square minus 3m square x square minus 2m x square cot theta minus x square m square x square equal to 0. Here x square term is common. Now 1 minus 2m cot theta minus m square, x square is 0. This is minus m square minus 2m cot theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Now the minus term is common. This is m square plus 2m cot theta plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now the equation, this is in the quadratic equation in m. Now am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 cot theta, c is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now m is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and this is minus 2 cot theta minus 2 minus b square. Here is b 4 cot square theta minus 4ac 4 by 2 cot 2a 2 into 1 2, and this is minus 2 cot theta plus or minus 2 into cot square theta plus 1 by 2, and this is minus 2 cot theta plus or minus 2 into cosecant square theta. Now substitute we know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is cosecant square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1. This is 2 cosecant theta by 2. Now put common this say minus cot theta plus or minus cosecant theta by 2. This is m is equal to minus cot theta plus or minus cosecant theta. Now see the one line is y is equal to, where is y? Y is equal to mx. Here m value is minus cot theta plus cosecant theta, and this is one of the value, and again minus cot theta minus cosecant theta, substituting this line in the slope is m, and this is see the options in the third option. See the options. Now third option is correct, and the y sin theta plus x into 1 plus cos theta is equal to 0. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 0. Okay, you understood? Now here m is equal to minus cot theta plus or minus cosecant theta. Now substituting the values, we get the required line. Okay. Two xy plus 9y square is equal to 0 represent a pair of distinct lines is a lysine. First one closed bracket minus 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3, and second one is minus 1 by 2 open bracket 1 by 3, and next third one is minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, and fourth one is minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Here it is comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Here a is a square, 2h is equal to 2, h is 1, and this is b is equal to 9. Now here represents a pair of distinct lines. That means h square is greater than ab, and this is h square is greater than ab. Now h square means 1 is greater than ab. Here a is a square and b is 9. Okay, now 1 by 9 is greater than or a square. A square is less than 1 by 9. Here a belongs to open bracket minus 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Okay. Second option minus 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Okay. The angle between the lines represented by the equation y square plus kxy minus x square tan square a is equal to 0 b 2a. Then k is equal to, now here options, first option is 0, second option is 1, third option is 2, fourth option is tan a. Okay, now here angle 2a, and this is comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Here a is minus tan square a, and 2h is equal to k, h is equal to k by 2, and this is b is equal to 1. Now angle is 2a is equal to 2 into h square minus ab by a plus b. That means tan 2a means 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. You already trigonometry part, tan 2a. Okay, now here 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a is equal to 2 into root of h square minus ab. Here h is k by 2 and h square is k square by 4 minus ab. That means ab, h square minus ab. Okay, now h square minus ab. Here a is minus tan square a, b is 1. That means minus of minus plus tan square a by a plus b. Here a minus tan square a plus 1. That means 1 minus tan square a. Now here denominator both sides are equal or cancel. And again 2 to cancel. Now squaring on both sides. And this is tan square a is equal to k square by 4 plus tan square a. Now here tan square a term is cancelled. 4 is equal to k square by 4. Here k square is equal to 0. That means k is equal to 0. Now here k is 0. So now the option is 1. Okay. Times 3x square plus 28xy plus 5y square plus lambda into x square plus y square is equal to 0. Y square is equal to 0. Have same pair of angular bisectors of 3x square plus 28xy plus 5y square is equal to 0 for first one all values of lambda, and second one lambda is equal to 1 only, lambda is 0 only, and fourth option lambda is equal to 1. Now we observe that 3x square into lambda x square. Now x square term common this is 3 plus lambda into x square plus 28xy plus y square term common this is 5 plus lambda is equal to 0, and 3x square plus 28xy plus 5y square is equal to 0 represents equally inclined for all values of lambda. So now here first option is all values of lambda. Okay. One bisector of a into x minus 1 whole square plus 2h into x minus 1 into y plus by square is equal to 0 is 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then the other bisector is okay. Now here a into x minus x1 whole square plus 2h into x minus x1 into y minus y1. Here y1 is 0. b into y minus y1 whole square. That means y1 is 0. Now the point x minus x1 and y minus y1. Here point is 1 comma 0. Now equation of a line perpendicular to 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and through the point 1 comma 0 is y minus y1 is equal to perpendicular line కాబట్టి slope వచ్చేసి b by a into x minus x1 and this is y minus 0 is equal to b by a, that means 1 by 2 into x minus 1. Now here y is equal to 2y is equal to x minus 1. Here x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now the answer is x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Bisects the angle between the lines a square x square plus 2axy plus y square is equal to 0. Then a is equal to, now first option is minus 2 comma 1 by 2 and second option is minus 3 comma 1 by 3 and third option is minus 1 comma 1, fourth option is 0. Now see here, comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Now one of the line is y is equal to 3x. That means angle bisects అన్నాడు కాబట్టి h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Here h is 2axy. Here h is a into x square minus y square. Y is 3x. Y square means 9x square is equal to a minus b. That means a means a square. B is 1 minus xy into 3x. Now here a into x square common this time 1 minus 9 is equal to a square minus 1 into 3x square. Here x square is cancelled. Now this is minus 8a and a square minus 1. Now a square plus 8a 3 into a 3a square minus 3. 3a square plus 8a minus 3 is equal to 0. Now factorize the quadratic equation. This is minus 9 into and 8. 9 minus 9 minus 1. Now here 3a square plus 9a minus a minus 3 is equal to 0. 3a common తీస్తే a plus 3 minus 1 common తీస్తే a. Now here a plus 3 into 3a minus 1 is equal to 0. Here a is minus 3 and a is equal to 1 by 3. Now the options is minus 3 comma 1 by 3. Now the second option, here a is minus 3 and 1 by 3. Okay. Equation x square plus ky square plus 4xy is equal to 0 represents two coincident if two coincident lines, if k is equal to, now here comparing with the a is equal to 1 to h is equal to k and b is equal to 4. Here now 5 coincident lines, that means h square is equal to ab. Now here k square by 4 is equal to ab, 1 into 4, and k square is equal to 16, k is equal to plus or minus 4. Now here k is equal to 4. Now the option is third one is 4. This is the k is equal to 4. The option is third. Okay. Of the pair of lines passing through 3, 2 and perpendicular to the coordinate axis, is, now options here in our material. Now here the equation of the line pair of lines passing through the point 3, 2. Now this is 3, 2 passing through the point and the coordinate axis is, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. That means the combined equation is x minus 3 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we required the equation of the pair of line. That means x into y xy, x into minus 2 minus 2x, minus 3 into y minus 3y, minus into minus plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore xy minus 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now okay, write down. The two pair of lines x square minus 2nxy minus y square is equal to 0 and x square minus 2mxy minus y square is equal to 0 are such that one of them the bisectors of the angle between the other. Then first option is 1 by n plus 1 by m is equal to 0. Second option is m plus n, mn plus 1 is equal to 0. Now third option is 1 by n minus 1 by m is equal to 0. And fourth option mn minus 1 is equal to 0. Now see the two pair of lines. That means first one is x square minus 2nxy minus y square is equal to 0. This is the bisector of the pair of line. That means h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Now here h is minus n into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b and a 1 plus 1 into xy. Now here minus nx square plus ny square is equal to 2xy. Now here minus 2xy is equal to 0 and this is nx square minus ny square plus 2xy is equal to 0. Now this is first one and the second pair of line is 2. Now 1 and 2 represents the one is the bisector of the other pair of line annar kabatti now 1 and 2 represents the pair of lines. That means here x square coefficient is n by x square coefficient is 1 is equal to xy coefficient is 2 by xy coefficient is minus 2m is equal to y square coefficient is minus n by y square coefficient is minus 1. Now 2 is cancelled. Now this is equal parts. This is mn minus mn is equal to 1. Now here 1 plus mn is equal to 0. This is answer. So 1 plus mn is equal to 0. See the options. Second option 1 plus mn is equal to 0. Okay, write down. One of the lines, if one of the lines of my square plus 1 minus m square into xy minus mx square is equal to 0 is a bisector, is a bisector of the angle between the coordinate axes, between the coordinate axis, then m is equal to, first one is 1, second one is 2, third one is minus 1 by 2, fourth one is minus 2. Now here one of the lines pair of line, and this is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Here a is minus m and 2h is equal to 2h is equal to 1 minus m square and b is equal to m. Now a bisector of an angle between the coordinate axes, that means a plus b whole square is equal to 2h whole square. Now here a plus b minus m plus m whole square is equal to 2h whole square. 1 minus m whole square is equal to 0. Okay, 1 minus m whole square is equal to 0. This is m minus m plus m is 0. 1 minus m whole square is equal to square root వస్తే 0 అయిపోతుంది. Now m 1 is equal to m. Here m is equal to 1. Now the first option is 1. Okay. Okay, once again I repeat, comparing with ax square plus 2hx square plus by square is equal to 0. Here a is minus m, 2h is 1 minus m square and b is m. Now the condition is a plus b whole square is equal to 2h whole square. Here 2h is 1 minus m whole square and a plus b is minus 1 minus m plus m whole square. That means is 0. Now 1 minus m whole square is 0. Here m is equal to 1. So see the options is 1. Okay, write down. If the pair of lines x square plus 2p xy minus y square is equal to 0 and x square minus 2qxy minus y square is equal to 0 be such that each pair of bisectors the angle between the other pair, then PQ is equal to, I already explained the same problem. Now here first pair of line is x square plus 2p xy minus y square is equal to 0. Here a is 1, 2h is 2, h is 1 and b is equal to minus 1. Now the pair of line is the angular bisector of the by this one of the pair of line. Now here h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Now h is 1 into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b, 1 plus 1 into xy. Now x square minus y square minus 2xy is equal to 0. This is 1 and the other pair of line is 2. Now 1 and 2 represents the each other. This is 1 and 2. Now here 1 and 2 represents the same pair of lines. That means x square coefficient is 1 by x square coefficient is 1 is equal to xy coefficient is minus 2 by x square coefficient is minus wait. See the small mistake. 2h is equal to p, h is equal to p. That means h is p, px square minus py square. Now here p by 1 and xy coefficient is minus 2 by, here xy coefficient is minus 2 cube is equal to y square coefficient is minus p by y square coefficient is minus 1. Now here, and this is cancelled. Now p by 1 is equal to 2 by q, 1 by q. This is pq is equal to 1. Now the value is pq is equal to minus 1. Sorry, pq is equal to 1. Okay. Now the answer is first option. Here pq is equal to 1. Okay. Now teacher task exercise 3. ఈ టాపిక్స్ సంబంధించి ఇక్కడ వరకు క్లోజ్ అయినాయి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో అనదర్ టాపిక్స్ మీద వస్తుంది. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్.